gonna drink the smallest amount as quick as I can, and then I'm gonna go drop off kids in a pool.
Who? Who you're gonna drop to the pool? Me?
Kids.
Kids?
Yep. My brown kids are gonna go into the porcelain pool. Like, you need to think about what every shot's gonna look like before you start it.
So
like the one you did where you cooked bacon?
yeah.
You talked for a few seconds and then you fast forwarded through a bunch of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But like you never set up your camera to do it, so you're like holding it all weird and shaking a lot, and the fast forward makes it look like you're shaking really bad. So if you're doing something, you're like, this should be a time lapse. Set up your camera and just record, and then when you're editing, make that part a time lapse.
Okay. Oh, it's kind of windy outside. Yeah? He's
Anyways,
teaching me how
get
to
coffee.
film. Yeah. Can you make me coffee, please?
I'm gonna drink the smallest amount as quick as I can, and then I'm gonna go drop off kids in a pool.
Who? Who you're gonna drop to the pool? Me?
Kids.
Kids?
Yep. My brown kids are gonna go into the porcelain pool.
Oh, poor thing. He's gonna throw up with the porcelain pool.
I don't think you understand.
I don't. I'm confused.
That means to go poo. Gonna drop your kids off in the pool.
Oh,
You've never heard that.
No, I did not.
It's common.
Is it?
Yep. You'll hear people say in TV shows and stuff, I'm gonna go drop the kids off at the pool.
Oh, I thought they're talking about the real kids.
No.
So he got a kids, and then he's gonna drop it in the. What is
Expressions. You just need to learn them all.
You're gonna drop it in the swimming pool with the.
No, I'm gonna drop off the kids at the pool.
He's gonna drop off the kids to the pool.
Not to the pool, at the pool.
At the pool.
To the pool wouldn't make sense in any way.
He's my English teacher. He's correcting me all the time because my English is not very good yet.
When it's a place, it's at.
At?
Yeah. Is that your cup?
Yes, that's my cup.
I'll spill it.
Yeah.
I want to see how good mine is. I do mine perfect.
Yeah. Also, I can make that like that.
It's easy to do perfect if you make coffee 3 cups a day, 5 days a week.
Did you make coffee with this? Oh yeah, you do.
I'm at work. Coffee's free.
Mm-hmm.
And I like free.
I might gonna put 2 before we leave. Because I'm gonna drink real quick coffee and poop. We'll see if I can make
charge
it.
my phone in 2 days. I should probably plug it in.
Bring the.
Oh no, our phones are awesome about charging. I need to plug it in for like 20 minutes and it'll be like 50%.
Oh, that's cool. But why my phone is like drained like quick?
Because your battery's not as good as mine.
Why we got out the same phone?
But we don't have the exact same battery.
Oh,
If you make 1,000 batteries, they're all going to perform 1,000 different ways.
yeah, that makes sense.
They should be close to each other. But they not always are. Like my first smartphone, its battery sucked. I was getting with the screen on, I was getting like 3 hours on.
Do you have still that phone, the really tiny one?
Yeah, it's over there by the TV.
Give it to the kids like a toy thing in the Philippines, maybe. Oh, that's work in the
Maybe.
Philippines, right? Or give it to
That's
what?
damage.
Damage what?
Cabinet.
Oh, just give it to whatever my brothers. I still
Your
work.
brothers don't need that piece of shit.
But anyways, paalis kami ngayon. Pupunta kami sa Asian store.
Hot
Vinegar.
sauce and vinegar.
They're good.
Oh, them look really good. This is that one thing.
Oh, that's easy.
That's the one that said was
Yeah.
water buffalo.
Oh.
Said it was water buffalo. And I see them. That looks good.
Yeah, those are sisig though.
Yeah, it looked tasty.
Yeah. With eggs on the top.
Uh-huh. And
We
he just
we
ate
should
and
try-
ate and ate.
We
I
should
don't know.
try next time. I still have a battery in my bag.
And their vinegar.
I always
It's
that.
all about that
We should
vinegar.
try that street food next time when we visit, huh? All the street food.
The one guy cracked me up.
we
'cause he
we
said,
tried it before,
We're kind of
remember?
limited though.
Limited? What do you mean?
Well, if you're in Manila, there's a lot.
Oh yeah. Oh.
In the province, there's street food, but it's basically some grilled meats.
Do you remember we
And that's
tried
about
it
it.
before? Yeah, that's about it. Grilled meat.
Yeah.
But maybe you like go to Manila like early, like afternoon. You'll find a lot of stuff.
Yeah, but we have to deal with Manila then.
Well, we should because we're gonna like before we're gonna go to the airport, going back, we're gonna stay in Manila anyways.
I don't plan on staying there.
Really?
Yeah. Like we'll have a flight out of Manila, and a few hours earlier, we'll get there on another plane.
How we gonna try the street food then?
Not Manila.
Not in Manila? Well, we can try it. We have street food.
We'll go to
Oh
Legazpi.
yeah.
Tabaco will have some too.
Yeah.
Not as much.
Yeah. In Legazpi probably we have a lot. That's bigger city.
See, this is where he tries all these balls.
Oh yeah, these are really
I
good.
love this video. He shows a vinegar thing that's huge, and he goes, they go through that like every day.
Yeah, we make
Big
those
giant
vinegar.
round thing.
And Christine gives me crap about eating too much vinegar.
Oh, I could eat that vinegar.
It's
with
like
everything.
it's not too bad than soy sauce. huh?
Except for their vinegar looked red.
Stand up a little better.
She's a Filipino.
Is that like
Yeah,
this?
she's a Filipino. I gotta do- look at her.
Yeah. Yes. I got maybe.
Is that supposed to be like a
Yeah.
seahorse? That looks good.
It's good. Hello there. Try my camera. Then focus on my face. Oh yes. Woo.
Yeah, if you click on your face, it'll track it.
Focus your face.
Just playing with my camera.
You like playing with it, huh?
See, if I touch over here, it won't focus you no more.
Oh, put it back on my face. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, Joe called yesterday at noon. Mom, will you find that
So,
chicken
nandito
for
kami
me?"
ngayon sa Filipino
Like, yeah.
restaurant. How do you call that?
What?
Filipino restaurant.
I did it like
Asian.
Are you asking the name of it?
Yes.
I did it like Mom's fried chicken, but not like my mom's. I just Googled.
But anyways, we're in Filipino restaurant and that's the view.
Sunburst Grill.
Oh, we're in Sunburst Grill in Aurora. Is it right, honey?
Sadly, yeah, it's Aurora.
Yes.
There.
Aurora.
Have some details. Yeah.
Yeah,
Can it
let's
focus
call
that
it
close?
Aurora.
Oh.
There we go. An address.
That's a pretty cool light. I like the shingles.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Cool, huh?
Is that safe? Like if you get hot, the papers don't burn or something?
I don't think that's paper.
Is it
I
not?
think that it's a little hard.
Looks like wax paper on
Maybe.
strings. and then it's covered with dust on the edges.
When you dust it, you have to take an ostrich feather duster and that's all you can do to it. I want to feel it.
But yeah, this is the
We're talking
oh, did it
that.
changes the color of the lights
It
though?
changes.
Yeah.
I don't notice that it changed the color.
With the yellow, the pink. The pink, yellow.
Oh, look at the fish.
Green.
They have fish.
I like that picture. Really pretty. I would like this paint.
Oh, that's not pretty. Like, how does brain is not painting? That's cool.
I think painting would be fun. I want to find something to do. Like go out and do something, feed the homeless, do something. So I use my time doing something.
Did we try the PANSIT canton? Ooh, I'm excited. They're good. Maybe. Actually, they're good. They
You've
make
eaten here,
PANSIT.
you should know.
Yes, but we didn't try the PANSIT before when me, Abby, and Clarissa went here. We came here like maybe,
Oh, you guys came here?
yeah, 2 months ago, I think. There's a lot of people eating that time.
Oh, because it was probably the
They're
weekend
full.
day.
Yeah, they're full. They're full.
Well, there's a lot of Filipinos in the state, so. You know, because when you go to the INS and stuff,
This
you see
one,
like
we have this in
many.
the Philippines.
We're not doing very good. We're like 10th in the nation for number of Filipinos.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's because what? They mostly go coastal?
Oregon, Washington,
Oregon,
and
Washington,
California all have way more than us.
That's
And then
'cause
New York
they
has
go-
a lot because that's just the nation capital. Everyone that comes to America is like, New York, that's the
to
place to
New
go.
York.
Oh, that's the capital of the United States, and I don't
No.
know that.
Well, that's our
Really?
capital. No, that's not like a government capital. That's
It's
like,
just a big place
it's
everyone
our
wants
biggest
to
city.
go.
Oh, okay. Like popular city. In
Biggest city. I mean,
biggest
they're
city.
huge.
That's
like
where-
Manila?
That's where the business stuff is.
Oh, okay.
Very much so.
Very good. There's
So
a
like Wall Street,
Even
Wall
like
Street's
Wall
here.
Street's there, everything.
A lot of banks are based there. Some banks are based in like really weird places.
Trump is
Okay,
I saw this in a video last night.
so we got PANSIT canton, chicken adobo with what vegetables?
PINAKBIT.
PINAKBIT?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Yellow
mom.
rice, and this is oh, I forgot the name of it. Lechon
Pork,
something?
yeah. Pork kawali. Lechon
Kawali.
kawali.
Oh,
Lechon
that's the
kawali.
lechon.
And then this is the, I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna start mixing stuff around. Fine. And what soup
Tinolang manok.
is that? There you go.
Milwaukee Street. That's crazy. We shouldn't have to go to there. We should be able to pick something else. Let me see. Littleton Lakewood, Westminster. We want something like right there.
I'm just gonna see how close we are to the shipping store. Kinda close.
All these ones I was looking at said shipping. And this one's pretty close. Let's hit it. 3545 Quebec. And that's right on our way out of town. Is this one FedEx Sprint and Ship Center, Dan. Pull my pants. I have my dumb pants on today.
I'm gonna like, hello little guy. Are you hungry? Hungry? Yeah, they're like, this is really big, the one. Ah.
That's a big goldfish.
Look, there's a black one.
The tiny one, I don't know what he is. I know these are all goldfish.
Yeah, maybe
Here's a little tiny baby. Look at his little shit. Like fishies.
Hello. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Him wants him. He wants him talking to you. He says, where's my...
Good afternoon everyone. Hapon na dito. 12:16. Today is Friday and I'm getting ready for work. Hello. Ooh. I like the lighting here, front of the window. The like real reflection of the sun. Ooh, I'm getting ready. Magsapatos na tayo. Hindi naman pala mahaba, sakto lang pala. Pag nakasapatos ka, tama lang pala. Kasi kanina kasi sinuot ko yung pantalon ko. Hindi pa ako nakasapatos. Kaya akala ko mahaba siya. In 10 minutes, I'm leaving. Gonna go ahead and go to work. Oh, today is my Monday. Nahilo ako kakaikot ng ano. Mandali akong mahilo pag kahit iswing ko lang yung chair, nahihilo ako. But anyways, ayan, nasuot ko na yung sapatos ko. Hindi naman pala siya mahaba. Sakto lang pala yung haba niya. Akala ko mahaba kasi kanina sinuot ko yung pantalon ko. Wala pa akong shoes. Sabi ko ang haba ng pantalon ko. Pero yung sinuot ko na yung sapatos, hindi naman pala mahaba. Tama lang. Makulimlim ngayon. Sana hindi malamig mamaya. Para maganda maglakad. I'm bored. Antay lang ako ng 10 minutes. Nag-umpisa na yung ang tawag dito, yung trees, yung mga kahoy sa labas, nag-uumpisa na mag-change ng color. Ano na sila, yung mga dahon, dilaw na ngayon. Tapos yung iba nag-start na konting red and pink color. So, yay! Welcome to fall season. Ready ko lang yung ano ko, yung food ko, yung lunch ko sa work, ready ko lang siya. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video because I'm going to work. It's 12:24. I have 6 minutes. Because normally I leave at... Because normally umaalis ako ng bahay at 12:30. So it's 12:24. 6 minutes before 12:30. And then... yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. Bye.